Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So guys, we all love ALIA Bhatt's skin, isn't it? Her skin is so radiant, healthy, glowing and so beautiful, and we all wish कि जो हमारी भी skin है वो आलिया भट्ट की skin जैसे दिखे and लगे. So today I will be reviewing and talking about 3 products जो हमें आलिया भट्ट की skin के जैसा glow दे सकती है, and that will make our skin very healthy and radiant. So guys, today the products that I will be talking about, reviewing, those products are from the brand Pilgrim. It is their new range of skincare Squalane. So I'm super excited to talk about these products, guys. So guys, Pilgrim has launched more than 10 products in this range, but I will be reviewing 3 products today. So the first one is the Squalane foaming face wash. The second one is the Squalane glow creme serum, and the third one is Squalane glow moisturizer. तो ये सारे जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आपकी स्किन को बहुत अच्छा ग्लो देंगे, बहुत ही हेल्दी रेडिएंट लगेगी आपकी स्किन, एकदम आलिया भट्ट जैसी आपकी स्किन लगने वाली है. बिकॉज बिलीव मी, दीज प्रोडक्ट्स रियली गिव अ वेरी गुड ग्लो एंड योर स्किन लुक्स रियली हेल्दी. एंड इफ यू हैव एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, यू विल बी रियली हैप्पी विद दीज प्रोडक्ट्स. बट बिफोर जंपिंग ऑन टू द रिव्यू, लेट मी टेक अ मोमेंट टू इंट्रोड्यूस द ब्रांड. सो गाइस, Pilgrim is all about creating and bringing borderless beauty experiences and connecting with the wanderlust spirit of a modern millennial. The brand aims to unearth beauty secrets from all over the world for your healthy skin and hair. Pilgrim is a cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, 100% vegan, non-toxic, FDA-approved brand. So guys, Pilgrim says this range is inspired by Secrets of Seville. It's in Spain. Our discovery has led us to Spain's best-kept secret, their olives, which have given us the super skincare ingredient Squalane. Naturally present in the olives is Squalane. It's a luxurious lightweight oil. Indulge your senses to give your skin a satin smooth finish with this cherished Spanish beauty secret. So basically guys, Squalane is a cruelty-free plant-based source of the compound squalane that is derived from olives. Squalane is ideal for use in skin, hair, nail and lip care applications. I have been using these products for more than a week now, and I have definitely seen changes in my skin, and I'm really enjoying using these products. So let's begin with our review. Okay, so the first product that I will be talking about is the Squalane foaming face wash. It has kiwi extract and vitamin B5 in it. Okay, I am really enjoying using this face wash, guys, and it has no artificial fragrance. So this is how the bottle looks like. We have a cap over here which protects the brush, so it comes with a brush head, which is actually a very good idea because it thoroughly cleans your skin. Okay, a really good brush, ये बिल्कुल भी hurt नहीं होता. It's very nice and soft, and I'm really enjoying the whole process of washing my face with this foaming face wash. So guys, Squalane foaming face wash is a gentle cleanser that leaves skin soft and naturally glowing. It's perfectly crafted to help remove dirt and makeup. It does not over dry and effectively retains natural oils. So this face wash is hydrating and it removes all the impurities from your skin, let it be your makeup, dirt, and it's a non-comedogenic formulation, so it does not clog your pores. It is hydrating and non-comedogenic, that does not strip off the natural oils from your face, and it locks in moisture for dewy radiance. It's a very gentle cleanser that very nicely cleanses your face. Guys, this foaming face wash has Squalane that hydrates skin and softens skin texture. It also has kiwi extracts in it, guys, which is rich in skin-friendly nutrients. It fights sun damage, and it also nourishes and protects your skin. It also has vitamin B, which hydrates, nourishes and softens skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties. So you just have to take like 1 to 2 pumps of this foaming face wash and apply it to pre-moistened skin. Gently massage for a couple of minutes using the brush in circular motions, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. The best part about this face wash is that my skin instantly looks very bright. Obviously it looks very clean as well, and it does not strip off the natural oils from my skin. That is very important. Certain face wash can be extremely drying, and this one is really nice. It's very mild, so I really like to use this face wash. The price of this face wash is 350 rupees, and you get 120 ml of product. Also guys, if you're planning to buy these products, you can use my coupon code Ankita15 to save 15% on your total bill amount, and I will be leaving all the links in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Next product that I want to talk about is this serum. It is Squalane Glow Creme Serum. The MRP of this serum is 650 rupees and you get 30 ml of product. I love the outer packaging, guys. I forgot to mention it earlier, but I really love the packaging of all these three products. They look really nice. The color looks really nice. I have been using this serum in the morning, okay, and believe me guys, the moment I started using this serum, I definitely saw a difference, okay. I definitely saw a difference in my skin. It looked very smooth. My acne marks, those dark spots were fading, were becoming light, okay, and I really started liking the way my skin was feeling and looking. In fact, I have been using this every single day along with the face wash and the moisturizer, which I will be showing you guys later on after the serum. It's a really lovely product, guys. If you have acne marks the way I have, if you have dark spots or hyperpigmentation, you can definitely use this serum. Squalane Glow Creme Serum is a lightweight blend designed to deliver a luminous, healthy glow. Squalane replenishes and rejuvenates. It's a very lightweight serum, guys, that instantly gets absorbed into the skin. Even if you have like extremely oily skin, you will still love this serum because it instantly penetrates into your skin and it does not leave your skin greasy or oily, as I mentioned before. So it's a really lovely formulation, guys. Just apply a very thin layer and you're good to go. So guys, this serum obviously has squalane in it, which hydrates skin, fights fine lines and wrinkles, makes skin soft and supple. It also has tranexamic acid, which brightens and smooths skin, fades dark spots and pigmentation, reduces appearance of acne scars. Also, this serum has alpha-arbutin, which is extremely good for people who have acne, okay. Guys, alpha-arbutin is a natural brightening agent. It fades hyperpigmentation and evens out complexion. So guys, once you're done washing your face with this Squalane foaming face wash, go in with this Squalane Glow Creme Serum. Apply 3 to 5 drops to clean and dry skin before creams, oils or moisturizers. Spread evenly across the face and neck with your fingertips. Do not massage. Just apply a very thin layer and you're good to go. So I've definitely seen one difference with using these products. That is, my skin looks really bright. Now the last product that I want to talk about is a moisturizer. So once you're done with cleaning your face, washing your face, you will go in with a serum and then you'll follow up with a moisturizer. Today here I have Squalane Glow Moisturizer with niacinamide and vitamin C. The price of this moisturizer is 550 rupees and you get 50 grams of product. Again, no artificial fragrance in this moisturizer. All these products that today I am talking about will give you that beautiful youthful glow. So guys, Squalane Glow Moisturizer is an ultra hydrating repair blend, a rich gel creme with all the moisture and good fats your skin needs without leaving a greasy feel. We don't like it when our skin feels and looks greasy or oily, right? And this moisturizer is beautiful because it does not leave my skin greasy at all. It quickly and easily gets absorbed into my skin. Now you can use this moisturizer in the morning as well as at night. It's up to you. I use it in the morning. It is very rich in texture, yet it is very lightweight, and it actually makes your skin look very bright, healthy, youthful looking. So guys, basically Squalane is a does it all ingredient that locks in moisture and smooths uneven texture. So you can apply this moisturizer, guys, once you are done with cleansing and toning your skin, then follow up with your serum, and after you are done applying your serum, go in with this moisturizer, apply it nicely, massage it really nicely into your skin, and then you can follow up with your favorite sunscreen. So overall, these products are really nice, guys, and I have definitely seen a difference in my skin from the time I've started using these products. All the three products perform really well, and if you have acne prone skin like the way I have, you will actually love these products. So this video comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching it and found it to be helpful, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.